Well, hello, good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Welcome back to Taco Better Show. Back today, we'll not have a Gantla. Yep, because we'll have now a Beyblade. Yes, another Beyblade, man, another Beyblade content. And this is a little big one. I don't know if I can put this into one vlog, but yeah, I really want to have this in one vlog. Because we will have here your Beyblade X UX10 customized set. And yeah, it's big, it has 4 blades, 3 ratchets, and 6 bits, okay? But bear with me, not all bits here is I know the name of all of this. Yeah, okay? So this is your UX10 customized set, and the main Beyblade here is your Nightmail. And you can only get the Nightmail on Takaratomi in the UX10. So here in our UX10, you have your Nightmail, your Terra Swing. Yeah, I get the right name right now. Terra Swing, that's a Ranobit in red color, and your Hell's Hammer in blue color, which is very, very nice. Okay, so without further ado, let's go and let's open this because yeah, I want to make it in one video only. So go. Okay, wow. Excited, man. Let's go. Let's unbox. Let's go. I've been moving so fast, but yeah, that is our unboxing. And yeah, now we have here the 4 blades, the 3 ratchets, and the 6 bits. Okay, but within these 6 bits, I think we can only use the 5 bits. Yeah, so let's go. Let's talk about the bits first. So in our bit, we have first the not so useful bit right here. Not so useful, but you can still use it. But again, it can really damage some stadiums. This is your metal needle. It's a nice bit, but yeah, because of this metal head right here, it's a little bit banned. Not a little bit, but actually banned in every kind of tournaments because it really damage stadiums. Okay, so that's your metal needle. And the next one, we have here a rush. Yeah, this is a rush. I don't know if this is the low rush, but I think this is the normal rush. Okay, this is your rush bit, and yeah, it's a very nice bit right there. Okay, so the red one. Next is your white one, which this white one is your, what is this one? It's not a ball. I forgot, man. I forgot the name of this one. What is this? What's the name? Ah, okay, yeah, that's the ball. Yeah, that's the ball. Okay, this is the ball. Yeah, I've seen it on the box. Okay, that's the ball. And the blue is, what is that? This is your point. Yep, this is your point, which you can see there. There is some pointing at the part right there. Yep, so that's your point. And then the next one, this is your rubber axle. Okay, this is your rubber axle, which I think at the first part that this is an elevatement, but no, it's a rubber axle. So the tip here, that yellow like part right here, is a rubber. Okay, that's your rubber axle. And then the last, and not but the least, is your, yeah, this is the green one, is BS. This bounce spike. Woo, yeah. So, okay, bounce spike is first seen in your Nightmail, not with your Terra Press, which I already unboxed and also have a test speed and test battles. Okay, so the first bounce spike is in your Nightmail. Okay, very nice. So that's our bits, and yeah, that's the plastic of the bit. And now let's go to its ratchets, which we only have 3 ratchets. Very sad, but yeah, it's only okay. Okay, so we have here first is your 385. Am I right? Yeah, 385. I'm correct. I'm correct. So this is your 385. 85 in height, and then 3 contact points, which is I really like the 3 because it's not so protruding. Yeah, I'm sorry for the dogs outside. They're barking so much. They're very noisy. And the next one, we have your this is your 770. It has 7 contact points, and what I saw here, the 770, there is one big gap or big contact points right here protruding. So there's one. You can either use this to add weight to your attacks or to add more contact points to burst yourself, okay? But it's a nice, very nice ratchet also. So it's your 770. And then the last one, and yeah, I think this is a very nice kind of ratchet also, is your 160. Am I right? Yes, it's a 160. This is your 160, a very nice 160 here. Okay, so now the exciting part, which is your blades. Okay, let's have first your Hellshammer, and that's a very nice blue. I don't really want to battle this, but yeah, we are reviewing it, so we cannot avoid it. We will need to battle this. Oh, from the start, I'm so sorry, Hammer Incendio in Hasbro, or yeah, Hellshammer in Takanatomi. I'm so sorry because your paint will be out of commission when we use this in battle. But yeah, you know the blade of our Hellshammer, it's very nice. These 3 big contact points right here, which will really give a big attacks. Okay, next is your Tyrannobit. And this is my very first time having a Tyrannobit. Yep, the original Tyrannobit, which doesn't have these colors. Yeah, it's a metal colored, silver metal colored. Yeah, so this one is red. Ooh, the red is very nice. Can I just not battle this one? But yeah, I want to see the performance also because I really don't have a Tyrannobit. Okay, so we'll have this next time. Today, or for this video. And next is your Terra's Wing, which I think Terra's Wing will first seen on the Hasbro. Yeah, okay, so this is first time that I have this one. Yep, the very first time. So we have, I don't know how many contact points, but it has a lower attack and an upper attack also. Very nice kind of blade also. Yeah, it has this lower part right here, and then a higher attack right there. Okay, so nice. So if it is a lower or upper in position, it can still attack. And I can see here that it's like with your Viper tail, because inside part of it, it has also that kind of honeycomb, which is not present to other blades that we have here. So this one, your Terra's Wing, is like with your Viper tail, which has those honeycombs. Yeah. Next, and the very important blade here is the main event, which is your Nightmail. And you can hear that it has that metal ball inside. First is, I think that the metal ball goes inward here and then goes outward if it's spinning. But it's different. It's different. No, because the ball is going up and down, which it will give you more stability. Yeah, maybe with your Nightmail, because your Nightmail is a defense type of Beyblade X. Okay, so now let's decide how to build this one, because I don't have an extra right here. I don't know what is the formation of our other babies, but what we really know right here, the formation is their Nightmail. Your Nightmail should have this 385. Yep, which is the 385 lock is different. You can see that it's very different with your other locks right there, which is having this part right there, but the 385 is only having this white circle at the center. So we'll have the 385 with your hey, okay, like this. Okay, and that, and then we need to use the bounce spike, bouncing. No, not the needle. It's the bouncing spike. Okay. Oh, it's really bouncing, man. So the bouncing of this one will resonate to the metal balls inside right there. Metal balls. Okay, so that's nice. And then according to color, let's go with according to color. I would like to have the Terra's Wing with a 160. And for the color, for that, I want to have the white one. Okay, yeah. And then, now we have 2 blades. And then your Tyrannobit would go with your 770, which a very nice color combination. And let's go all red right here, which your Tyrannobit will have the 770 with a rush bit. And now we have 2 remaining kind of bit, or 3 remaining bits, but 1 blade and yeah, no ratchet. So I would like to get another ratchet from my Dran Brave right here because it's blue. I want it also to have a blue one. Yeah. So I want to have an original, okay, original ratchet. So let's have the blue ratchet, which is the 3. This ratchet already goes with different battles. Yeah. Okay. So go for a set aside first with our Dran sword. Okay. So our hammer incendio or your Hell's Hammer will have this blue one, and it can go with the point one, or we can have the axle. I think we will change that later. Okay, so now we have 4 Beyblades, man, and we still have 2 bits that we can use with other Beyblades also. Okay, so that's a very nice kind of set, and I think I cannot go with the spin test and test battle because there's so many, man. There's so many. So there are 4. I want it to be in one video, but explaining this is very time consuming. So I think it will bore you. So I will just make another videos for each Beyblade and competing with the same set, okay? With the same customized set. And let's try to change bits with other Beyblades when they have their test spins and also when they have their test battles. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this kind of videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell to inform for our next videos. Okay, so that's it for now. Thank you so much. So good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake De La Paz signing off, and Gumper Show signing off. Stay tuned and let's watch the next part, which is our test spin and test battles with each of these videos. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, go shoot. So good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake De La Paz signing off, and Gumper Show signing off. I think I do it again. Yeah. Goodbye. Peace out. Bye-bye.